Hello kids. Today we are going to learn something new. Do you know what we are going to learn? Okay, I'll tell you. Today we'll see which things are tall and to which things we have to say short. Let's go. Here we can see two bottles. Now we have to see which bottle is tall and which bottle is short. The bottle whose height is more is tall, and the other bottle whose height is small, we can say it as short. Tall and short. Great. Now this is giraffe and this is deer. Now you have to identify which one is tall. Can you identify? Yes, giraffe is tall and deer is short. Now tell me, from these pillars, which pillar is tall and which pillar is short? Let's see. This pillar is tall and this pillar is short. Tall pillar and a short pillar. Now tell me, from these two stools, can you identify which one is tall and which one is short? Good. This stool is tall and this stool is short. Now here is a tree and this is a plant. Can you identify which one is tall and which is short? The tree is tall and the plant is short. Tree is tall and plant is short. Next example is of man and a boy. Can you say who is tall and who is short? Yes, the boy is short and the man is tall. Good. Now you have learned what is tall and what is short. Tall and short. Now let's go for few more examples. Here is Raju. Raju has ice cream in one hand and lollipop in the other hand. Can you say which one is tall? Is it ice cream or lollipop? Yes. Ice cream is tall and lollipop is short. Here is another example. Tall building and a short house. Tall boy and a short boy. Tall tree and a short tree. Tall ladder and a short ladder. Tall water bottle and short ink pot. Homework for today is you have to identify which things are tall and which one are short. Thank you.